How to sign up for Uber Eats Bicycle. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, get yourself a driver app and make sure that you are registered. Now once you are in here, also make sure that you're 18 years old and have a valid identification provided by your government. For the registration process, select the option of delivery with bicycle or on foot. Also select how do you want to earn with Uber. Then enter your name, DOB, and your social security number. Once you have added all of this, next step is to provide them with a valid government issue photo ID and a profile photo. You will have yourself a background check which will take about of 2 to 3 days or more. Once you are verified by Uber driver, now you can easily go ahead and deliver with a bicycle or on foot. You will get yourself your payment as a form that you selected earlier, that is either your cash or your bank account or addition to your credit or debit card. And that is all for the video as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful. See you.